up, Superifics? Today we are going to be unboxing all this stuff.
Wow.
And we bought these 4 things at the store. And this is from
Christmas.
Superific Mom.
Oh, yeah, not
and
from
Superific Dad.
From her birthday.
Yep. When I turned 7.
She's already.
Okay, so
we are
going to be
whole
unboxing
bunch of
this
stuff.
one first.
The magic pennies.
We're going to pause you for a Wait.
So,
Wait a second. Can you pause that?
sorry about that part that didn't make any sense.
Yeah.
Anyways, I just said that. Oh, you just hit the camera.
Sorry.
Which isn't really a camera, it's a phone.
Okay.
And also, it's not Taco Mom's phone. It's my
Yep.
phone.
It's Logan's phone. It used to be Taco Dad's, but Taco Dad got a new phone.
Hi there.
These are fake pennies, it looks like.
Maybe. Or are they?
It looks like fake. Ooh, these are like the bars.
Ooh, like they're magnet. Yeah, they're magnetic.
Yeah, and they could go.
I
I
think
don't think they can.
so.
Okay, they're super heavy.
How are they super heavy?
We're gonna show you a little bit of tricks.
That might.
See how they
Oh,
stick.
they stick.
No.
I'm just gonna showcase. This is not a. That's the size of a regular penny. This is like.
Get this off of here.
This is the size of a. Okay.
I know. Look here.
All right.
There you go. He almost
Sorry.
stopped you.
Sorry, Super Effects.
Okay, we are gonna get this off of here.
It's blurry.
Okay.
There we go.
Now we're gonna do a trick for you.
So it's gonna be like they're gonna
Okay.
be like on top of each other.
This is what we're gonna do.
No.
Oh no, we're gonna do this. I forgot. These are gonna be like this, and
They're waiting in line. They are so ready. They are waiting in
guys,
line.
look.
They're waiting in line patiently, Quinn. What the?
I know.
It's a bridgie.
We're gonna do it with just the big ones. That is so cool, guys.
All right.
We're gonna.
I'm just gonna.
Whoops.
Wow. The Mackinac Bridge fell down.
Yes, it.
Or it's the Golden Gate Bridge.
Yep.
Who knows?
Who knows what bridge this is?
So yeah.
That was just Taco Mom.
Yeah,
she's Superific Mom.
She's or Taco Mom.
Yeah.
Go check out Taco Logan 08, okay?
And that's him talking right now.
Yeah. So subscribe.
Because we are brothers and sisters. We
Yeah.
are brother and sister.
Also subscribe to Quinn. You're watching right now.
Subscribe.
These are heavy.
And subscribe to Taco Mom. We have all old videos on the channel.
No, she doesn't want anybody subscribing to that. Okay. I prefer you.
Just watch them. Don't subscribe.
Just watch them.
We're gonna be picking these up and then.
And it's not called Taco Mom. We're not gonna tell you what it's named because she'll get pretty mad. She'll get pretty mad, I guess.
And she's up here right now.
So after this,
She could hear us right now.
So you are failing badly, getting pennies into a bag. How does that feel? How does that feel?
Annoying.
Oh wow, that was a great answer. You are the best. You should be a news person. I think you need help.
No, I don't.
Oh, well then. How long is this video gonna be?
Stick together.
No, they don't.
Yeah, I do. Well,
They don't stick to my finger. What the heck? I thought it was magnetic. Okay.
only to magnetic stuff.
Magnetic.
Okay. We will be pausing you after this.
Then
maybe.
hopefully you don't mind the messy bed behind Quinn, cause yeah, that's
Don't just look at the floor. Show them the floor.
it's way dirtier than my
Yeah.
bed. So why should I?
Whoa! It picks up the bag.
You mean it picks up the magnetic little leggy? Okay. Do that.
We are gonna be putting them.
All right, we're gonna pause you now.
Sneeze.
I'm recording.
I know.
So, what is going to be next? They're waiting in line patiently.
Okay, so the thing that's going to be next, comment down below what you think will be next.
That's the question for today.
Yep.
Pause the video and comment down below what do you think will be next after the penny thing.
Okay.
And it
Is the giant slime.
Can I touch it?
No.
Why? Why can't cameraman touch it? Whoa.
Guys, try to feel it. No, I'm asking them to feel it. Feel it.
Oh, I think that we don't have high-tech cameras yet, okay?
Whoa, it does the poking test. Look,
That's what she calls it. I wonder if she's the only one that calls it that.
look.
I want to try.
No, be quiet. Okay, you stop. Be quiet for a minute.
All right. Oh, wow. Hopefully there's not a baby crying in the background.
Okay.
I
Wasn't that so satisfying, guys?
mean,
Satisfying.
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 The new word that has been created
we're
by a
gonna
not
do-
so popular YouTuber.
We're gonna. It doesn't do stretching that much. Look.
Because it's
This
not.
is
It's not putty.
This is how long it stretches.
It's not putty. It doesn't stretch.
Yeah.
But I'll show you what can
Wait.
stretch long.
Wait, listen, guys.
But first, after that,
No,
I'll show you.
guys,
I want to show them.
We're gonna do the poking test again. Wait,
This time,
but
it's
we're
super
gonna do all of
Close
it.
up motion.
We're doing all of it this time.
Oh, what the? Oh,
Stop.
it feels so great.
Okay, we're gonna push it down.
It felt so great. I don't know why I don't know why I didn't get a credit. I don't know why I didn't get a credit.
Stop.
All right. It feels so great. I mean, it sounds so great.
Logan's turn.
All right, finally. All right, first I'm gonna.
You gotta push it down first.
Oh my gosh, this feels so great.
We're gonna pause it for. Okay, Logan went to go do something for a minute. If you haven't seen Logan's Cameron video, go check it out because he gave me the card to go to Target and buy this. So go check that video out after this video. What video? The Cameron video. Oh, the walk? Yeah. Wait, we're gonna...
He's our best friend.
Yeah. He's actually in my class.
Yeah.
Wait, listen.
Wait. It's not.
Wait. We're gonna do
It's
one.
not.
Now you do a poke.
It's not a bug.
Poke it.
Well, you slapped it, so I wanted to. Anyway, shouldn't we move on?
No, not yet.
But we have 3 things left. All right. It feels so great.
I know.
And it sounds so
Taco
great.
Logan is gonna take the camera, and then we're gonna pause it because we gotta clean up all of this wrapping stuff. We're gonna put this off to the side.
So they can have a conversation, bro.
Okay, we are gonna open the confetti. It's gonna get a little messy here.
Just like the slime.
Well, this one's easy to get open.
Also admire the Mario background.
Ignore the annoying background, okay?
Alright, fine. Just it's supposed to be an unboxing video anyways. I don't make any sense. Right. I don't make any sense. This is gonna be quite a long video, but at least it's an unboxing video. The first unboxing video that Quinn did.
Yeah. Logan did an unboxing video, but
it was like a long time ago, okay? Like in the summer.
The phone died, so we couldn't do the unboxing anymore. And that was so sad.
Well, yeah. And also, I did a...
Now you're going to try opening it.
Alright, now it's my turn to unbox. This is like an LOL.
I know. My turn.
No, I didn't do it.
I know.
I'm closing up on your face.
I know.
Here's some... No, I'm gonna go close the door really quick. We are gonna travel to the door. We're gonna close it because we want to. And we're gonna go back to Quinn because we want to. I got some slime. I kind of like the noise.
Well, I really love the noise that the slime makes.
Why do I like closing up? It's probably...
That's the question for the day.
The second question for today.
No,
Why do you think
it's not.
But you said what would be next after the pennies. And it was the...
Oh!
It looks like...
We're gonna wait until...
It looks like a weird Shopkin bag. Like a pink Shopkin bag.
It feels like an accessory.
An accessory. So is that like a list or something?
Logan, no. Stop.
So it's like an accessory or something?
Accessory.
Whatever it's called, okay?
You don't know how to talk.
So this is...
Comment down below if you know how to talk.
Yeah, everybody knows how to talk except babies.
Yep.
So that's why babies aren't going to comment down below.
Comment down below if your baby could talk now.
I mean, if you have one.
Gibson sort of can.
Yeah.
He could say some words and can't say some words.
He can say a lot of words.
Yeah.
And he can't say a lot of words too. He can say out.
Comment down below.
Kind of.
If you have ever had a younger sibling before.
Wow, there's a lot of stuff you need to comment down below.
Now your turn.
Alright, again. And this time I'm going to get a better turn.
No, you're not. I like how you close up.
I think I need scissors.
I'm closing up so much. It's a blurry.
Do you know how to close up? I mean, close back thing, whatever it's called. Yeah. All right.
I think that's good enough. My turn.
Oh, I almost just cut you.
I'm okay with that.
You didn't even close down all the way. Whatever.
I know. But I want you to close it up.
I don't want to close up anymore.
I like it.
It's blurry. All right, there we go. We focus. It's already 13 minutes in the video. What do you have when you unbox everything? Okay, I think we're going to be back after we unbox that because it's taking quite a long time.
Confetti!
Alright, never mind. I spoke too soon.
Whoa,
there's something in it. There's something in it.
I know. It's a little doll. We gotta...
Alright. Sorry for the technical confetti difficulties. I think we might need to... And for that, I think we might need to pod you. The scissors just chilling on. Alright. I think she might be closing down to where the doll might pop out.
Yeah. Or maybe just be staying in there forever.
No.
Now you're gonna try.
Alright, my turn again, which means I'm gonna do the scissors.
You want to see the doll closer in there? Oh, we gotta. That's the doll we got with, like,
I see some
blue
instructions.
hair. Okay. That's not your better turn.
Ow! I poked myself, I think. I mean, you can't really see it. Oh. Stop closing up.
I like closing up.
I guess it is your channel, but still, no. This unboxing this is taking forever. But we're now down to the final parts of it.
Bits of it.
The final bits with it. Whatever! Okay, why does it matter?
I don't know. What do you do? Just
well,
rip this?
I think that's the
Oh, we have to
instruction.
pull it out?
Yeah!
Oh!
That's why you need to.
Oh, it said we have to twist.
I'm sad we can't do slow motion. Is there anything else in there?
She broke.
Oh no. She broke. Well, that's a fail of an unboxing.
Pause it for a minute.
Alright, we're gonna clean this up and do the next one. So we're now going to unbox the accessories.
Accessory.
Okay, whatever!
We got
It's a tiny little microphone that can get eaten by a tiny little baby. That's not...
Don't let your baby have that.
Yeah, that's pretty much very dangerous for babies. They can choke on it. It's been 17 minutes into the video, and we haven't even done those two yet. I think we should have.
Okay, we're just not gonna show you how the accessories get on her.
So, on to the next one. On to the next one after we pause. Alright, first we're gonna show this. Is that a giraffe?
Yes, and there's one more. If I could get it on, we could.
They're earmuffs.
No, they're headphones.
Whatever.
Okay,
And
now we
there's
are
this
gonna pause for a minute and
Alright.
comment down below if you ever have watched Ryan's toy review. First up, we're gonna do this one.
It's like a.
It's like a figurine. These are the characters you could get.
Are they?
You could get Pirate Ryan. You could get Race Car Ryan. You could get Dr. Ryan. You could get Robot Ryan. You could get Karate Ryan. Or you could get Alien Ryan.
Or it looks like Frankenstein.
Yep.
I think you might need.
We're opening it.
No scissors. They're gonna rip Ryan's head off.
I don't care. His head is pretty much already ripped off.
Alright. And the doll's just hitting. Oh, wow.
Oh, we got Pirate Ryan.
Oh, it's so squishy. Yay. You got a squishy thing.
Squish it.
I
Squish
didn't
it,
know.
Look it.
We don't have high tech stuff. Right?
I
I want to squish it.
No.
But I want to squish it.
Okay.
Why can't the cameraman squish? I'm your brother, okay? You should respect me.
We're gonna play with it for a little bit and then move on.
So, shouldn't I pause it or what?
Stop. Look. Okay. Now we are gonna go on to the next one and pause it. We're gonna put that off to the side, just like he did. And
now we have this.
Hold the camera.
We have this slime stuff.
These are the kinds you could get.
You can get.
You say.
So wait, I can't read it on the camera. Alright. So you can get Rotten Rose, Gooey
Rotten Rose, Gooey Green,
Bio Violet,
Icky Indigo,
Revolting Rust, Nasty Neon, and the, I guess, limited edition, Grody gold. Do not eat, okay? What if we get the gold? Alright, that would be awesome. That would be the awesome end of a great
video.
and unboxing. I was gonna say unboxing, but whatever. Let's see if you get the gold.
Both of them, unboxing video. Okay, I think we are gonna need some scissors. Why do you make this so hard to open?
I don't know.
Ow! Well, the other one was harder.
Ooh.
It's goo.
And next week is spring break. Yay, spring break. Woo, spring break.
But we're doing spring break. Well, it's technically kind of spring break, but it's Saturday.
So it's sad or day? Sad or day?
It's not the Saturday, I forgot.
This is taking a long time.
You're gonna have to get the top off.
Alright.
So, Logan.
That was the easiest thing in my life. That was the easiest thing ever. And you
Ooh,
get.
we got the pink one.
So
I think it's Rose. I think it's
let's
the
see.
Rose one.
Rotten Rose.
I think it's Rotten Rose.
I wonder what
It looks so jiggly.
What?
Ooh, boo.
Oh, whoa.
That was easy.
Don't-
Whoa, that feels so. Don't eat this, babies.
Yes, because it says it on the back, okay? Ooh, it looks so jiggly.
And wet.
I want to feel.
You guys.
Oh, no.
You guys are gonna feel it. It picks up everything.
So, yeah.
Wait.
Everybody feel it.
Whoa! You just.
Hey, my phone's not gooey.
Wait, look.
I mean, kind of not really my phone,
Wait.
but the phone's gooey.
Wait. Don't laugh, Logan.
I'm gonna try not to. There's a whole bunch of packaging on the ground.
Wait, Logan.
Why is it? Oh, that might stick to you, bro. That might stick to you. No, seriously, it's sticking to you, bro. Oh, wow. Nothing. Wow. Anyways, yeah. As Quinn said,
Can
subscribe.
you pause that?
Subscribe to
Ryan's
Toy Review.
No. We are gonna do the jiggle test.
Jiggle test.
We're gonna go
Where are you
over
going?
here because all the confetti is over there and do the jiggle test.
Oh, I brung. There's a whole bunch of slime on my floor now. Pick it up with the slime. Ooh, I can feel it now. Yes. Yes,
Wait.
slime.
If you squeeze it, it doesn't do anything.
I got my miniature slime.
It just breaks it if you squeeze it. Okay, so we are gonna be saying goodbye to you.
Sorry, we just
But
have
first,
to...
I'm gonna show you a magic trick on my magic kit.
Magic kit. So we're gonna need to pause.
Pause, pause, pause.
Now, Gwen already unboxed this.
Yep.
But she's just gonna show you a magic trick.
Well, 2.
2 magic tricks.
Okay, I'm gonna come here.
Oh, hey, Cotton!
Actually, 3.
3 magic tricks.
Okay, now, guys, I have a problem. I want to get this to down there. We're gonna have to put this here and see. Let's see. I got it down.
Oh, you did?
Yes, I did.
Oh, you did?
See?
Oh.
The trick is that this moves up and down. That's the trick.
God.
That's how you do it. Okay. Now.
I got some slime.
Okay. Now we are gonna do this one, guys.
The dice.
There's 3. Now I'm gonna turn this. It's still 3. But when I put it behind my back, I didn't do anything. Look.
Yeah, you did.
No. Look.
Oh. Oh, it was... That tricked me! Gosh dang it!
Logan, don't say that.
Why?
'Cause-
Why?
Okay, now we are gonna
The
show you.
final magic trick. In the
Wait,
25th
pause it
minute.
for a minute.
Alright.
Pick a card, guys. I'm gonna close my eyes. Don't tell me which card you picked. But I'm gonna put it somewhere, and then
Am I supposed to aim at the carbs?
Yeah.
Carbs. I said carbs.
is this your card?
5.
Was that your card, guys?
5 of hearts.
Was that your card?
Comment down below. Did you pick 5 hearts?
I'm gonna show you one more with the cards.
Alright.
Okay,
Now she's gonna pick
now,
another card.
look.
Pick a card.
No. Okay, guys. I'm gonna show you this.
Ah, there's more
Now,
slime.
I'm gonna rub my hand on this. Where'd the 5 of hearts go?
Oh. Looks very suspicious. That looks very suspicious, Quinn.
The trick is, look, I put that on my hand.
I think we already saw it, okay?
Okay.
It was very
now,
suspicious,
This
Quinn.
is the easiest trick.
I thought you said 3.
I'm just gonna show them one
It's-
more.
Alright, and then we're gonna say goodbye, finally.
No, I am.
Oh, well. But I'm the cameraman, dude.
I'm gonna point it at you.
Oh, there's slime on my hand. I need to put it on the ground.
No!
Sorry! Sorry, Superfix. Hopefully I didn't damage your eyes or what. Ever.
Just don't look at that part, Superfix. Try to not look at that part.
And, yeah.
Okay, now
Now, what is happening now,
this
Quinn?
is the one I don't know. Okay.
Oh, well.
Guys, there's something in here. Let's see what it is. What is it? There's nothing in it.
I don't know what the trick is, actually. We don't know what the trick is, but
Yes, I do.
what is
The
it?
trick is there's this.
Oh, I never
That's
noticed!
making the trick.
I never noticed that! I never noticed that! Well, you have created an invention. And that was the last trick, right?
But
Right.
first I gotta throw all the stuff away. Oh, I forgot one.
That was
This is. I forgot about this.
That's pretty easy.
And
Oh, you saw that. You see that hole, right?
look.
You see the hole in the ring?
No, stop. Okay.
I think we see it.
Stop. Okay, look. We're putting that there, and then when we drop it, it looks cool. And then
Oh, wow.
all of them.
We don't know how those two got
all
together,
of-
though.
All of them dropped through this hole. So, and look, I've done this before. I'm gonna put some behind my back, and I'm gonna try to get them together. Wait, stop for a minute.
I'm just... Oh, pause.
Okay, nope.
Okay, I'm
Okay,
just aiming at your face.
Now we are gonna be trying to get this in here. I can't get it in. Now if I put it behind my back, I'll get it in. I got it in. But there is no hole. No,
Wait, what?
there is no hole.
There isn't?
Mm-mm. It's the trick! I put this one behind my back and switched them out. So that was that trick.
And is that it?
Guys, you want some bubbles?
Oh, really?
There is no bubbles in it. And look,
There's a
I'm going to take the bubbles out.
Ah.
That's not for eating, Logan. And
Then what is...
if you ever see this, it's at Target.
I mean, I don't know. So we're going to pause it?
No, we know. I saw it at the store today.
Oh, well, then. We are going to pause and then say
No, we
goodbye.
aren't. We aren't.
We're go. Then what's going to be next? What's going to be
They're
next?
gonna watch us.
They're going to watch us do what?
Put this away.
Oh, wow, that's very fun. I think I'm just going to pause.
We are going to be saying bye and listen. Be super quiet.
Be super quiet. perfect. Yeah. Oh. 30 minutes into the video, Quinn. The longest video any of us have made.
Probably anyone has made. Can you pause this for a minute?
Oh no.
It smells disgusting.
What? Yeah, give it a spanking.
Wait, pause it for a minute.
We're giving it.
Okay.
Uh-oh. The microphone. Don't do that. You're teaching babies a bad thing.
Logan's room is very messy.
Not really. I mean, yeah.
Really? Okay, we're gonna say goodbye.
So,
Bye, Superifics. See you in the next video.